Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to convert your normal image into a pencil sketch art like this. So let's get started. So first website in my list is pencilsketch.imageonline.co. So just go to this website and you'll be having the pencil sketch tool. Here just upload the image. I'll just upload this. Yeah, and here you're having an indicator like this. So if you put it to max, that will be the amount of pencil shadow. I'll just have it at mid and I'll just click on pencil sketch. So it will take some time for the sketch to get generated and you'll be getting an preview like this. And if I go to the maximum value and click on this, the more value you give here, the darker it appears. So if you want to download, you can just download it. As simple as that. It just does the job in few seconds. And next tool is going to be from Hugging Face. So you can just literally Google image to sketch Hugging Face. You'll be getting so many links over here, so that will also work. And in this case I'm going to use this one, and this is from Amir Game 197. So this is a link. You can just type it in the search bar over here and just upload your image and just click on submit. So this is what I get, and you don't have a lot of customization that can be done, but it still does the job. Okay, in case if you like this style, you can try using this. So that's the video, guys. I hope you have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in AI tools as well as OpenAI, Gemini AI API. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.